You didn't lose Minecraft.
How's everybody doing out there? It's me, Jordan, playing Minecraft on the phone with my cousin Morgan. We are gonna make some pixel art today. That ain't normal. That's still not normal. Alright. So Morgan,
Halloween theme. Yeah, man.
that's the name of it. We're building a werewolf first. Is that brown wool or what?
How do you
Brown
spell
wool.
I?
Brown wool.
Eye, like the eyeball.
Okay,
Brown
I
wool.
drew it.
Brown wool, brown wool. Okay, I got the brown wool up.
How do you spell I? How do you spell
Gray
light?
wool. Is that dark gray or light gray?
L-I-K-E.
Light gray.
I.
I guess that would be an orange. Yeah, orange.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Is that a gold block or that yellow wool? You think that'd be gold block or yellow wool?
How do you spell Halloween?
I don't know.
I'll go with yellow wool.
How do you spell Halloween?
Halloween. I think I spelled that right. Halloween.
5, 6.
Hall. Right? It's 2 L's in Halloween, right?
2.
Hallween. Halloween, yeah. I think I spelled that right.
Well, I.
1, 2, 3.
What's this? Are you building the bottom right now?
Yeah.
Okay. How do
Alright,
you,
so 1, 2.
okay. How do you spell it?
H A
H
A
H
L L.
A L L.
Is there another A after Halloween? I think it's HALLWEEN, right? Or is it
I
HALL?
think it's O-W.
OWEEN.
O.
W. E.
E. Oh, you already got 2 E's or 1 E?
E. Put another one.
N.
N.
Why is like this going so far? Oh, okay, it's a gray shirt. This gray shirt starting. Waka waka
I
waka waka.
like Halloween.
Mm-hmm.
So does everybody. It's free candy for days.
Free candy days.
I want some candy right now though.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Did I do that right? Yeah, I did that right. I wanna say I did that right. Okay. Oh, go subscribe to my cousin Morgan's channel. Little Blue Game. Little Blue Game, that's the name of
it'll
it.
be in the description. The whatchamacallit.
No,
Yes, it will.
I can't put it in the description on the phone, Morgan.
Why not?
Because it's retarded.
Oh, same. It's like my
You
brain.
put it too. No, you didn't. Okay, I just haven't had the brown wool to that side. I think you put it too high. No. Okay. Brown wool. Orange. I'm trying like to follow this and like it's like absolutely so confusing.
Damn.
Oh, it's actually not that hard on the phone. I expect. Oh crap, Morgan, I broke a black marker here. Right there. There you
Oh
go.
my god, I placed one all the way over there. What the heck?
Where?
It was over there next to the cow.
Oh well, no. That's 2 blocks up. Yeah, that's 2 blocks up. So 2 blocks, then a gray block, then a line. What?
That's-
Is it a 3 line or 4 line? That's a 5 line. So 3, 4, 5.
How do you like my Halloween picture?
It's perfect.
No, but look at
Ooh.
it.
Oh, that's cool. Make another one. Make one with a ghost in it.
Ghost.
A ghost.
I-
Is that a ghost? Look at that paper.
I tried to draw the exact thing
Oh.
as a kid. But I
Oh.
will get another piece of paper.
Oh, that is something wrong because it says there's a dot. Okay, no, I gotta add a gray block next to it. Then another one, I think. Dink, and
This is
then
really weird.
dink,
You're like
dink.
a 5-year-old talking to a kid.
It's alright. It's alright. Oh wait, I did it wrong again. No. Nah, I messed something up down here, and like it's confusing me half to death.
How many is this? 5.
Like for real. Did I miss a part? No, it's
1, 2, 3.
brown, orange, brown, orange. Okay, so it's another orange, then gray, then orange. Alright, got it. I fixed it, Morgan. Yeah, it just took me a quick second to figure it out. I think I did that right.
Okay.
Did you get you another one, Bailey?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Okay, so it goes to the.
I only got enough time for 3. Let's do 2, okay?
I can fast forward through some of them.
You can fast forward it, I can't.
I can fast forward it for you.
Might need to
I
look
did
for.
something seriously wrong.
Might need to look for a better. What you mean do something seriously wrong? Oh wow, that's not so uneven, Morgan. I'm still on the shirt. Get that fixed, please, if you don't mind.
God.
You didn't know Morgan's a building expert. I'm not. I'm a stupid person.
What? I don't know what happened.
I looked. I was like, you say you did something serious wrong. I was like, what you mean? The bottom looks perfect. I think. Does the bottom look perfect, or the bottom looks jacked up as heck?
No, the bottom looks fine.
Yeah, this top looks pretty crappy. We got the V-neck right.
You do realize that you have like the colors backwards
No, I don't.
from this way I'm facing. Yes, you do.
Well, yeah, you're facing the wrong way. You're facing
No, I'm
forward.
facing the right way.
We're facing forward this way, Morgan.
I'm facing the right way.
We're facing forward this way.
No, we're not.
Yes, we are.
No, we're not.
Yes, we are.
No, we're not.
Why you lying to yourself?
I'm not. I'm
Let me-
so confused.
Yeah, okay. You know we were planning on making 3. Yeah, we're only making 2. We're only making 1. Because the first one getting us caught. Maybe in later episodes
I'm
we'll
doing
do.
seriously something wrong.
Maybe in later episodes we'll do a few more. Right now, nah.
Okay, this is. Oh.
What you do wrong?
The ear.
Low key, like really. Oh,
The ear is supposed to come out.
damn. Oh wow. So yeah, you built it like the opposite direction I was building it. So you are facing that way. You think it's the right way. It's the wrong way for me. Oh snap. Well, we having a cricket roll a little bit. Just me.
I'm sorry. When did this block down here break?
You done messed me up completely.
Okay.
I don't even know. I'm not even sure if I'm building this
Up
right.
one.
No, it's not this. I'm on that side of the face. I'm on that side.
2.
That side. That side. Oh my gosh, Morgan, what'd you do?
What?
What have you done? Like
I don't know. I'm erasing the whole head.
low key. Okay, cool. Erase it.
Besides the part I know is right.
That part's not right.
This part right here.
That part's not right.
That part right there is.
No.
Not like this part is. Yeah, this part is. I made sure. I just fixed it.
Perfect. Perfect.
Mine, what do you think?
I like it.
What do you want to draw now, Bailey?
Let's see. What else do we have? The Frankenstein.
Yeah,
Yep.
Frankenstein.
Draw Frankenstein.
I'll need more paper.
Can't you draw on the back of that one?
Yeah. Did you use the back of that one? Nope. Go use the back of that one.
Okay, so for Frankenstein, we're gonna use green.
Yes, you are. Now, how do
And
I
I'm
do
gonna use like gray for his hair or something.
2,
4, 5.
2,
Down 1. Down on 1.
1,
So,
3, 1, 2, 3. I need like to block the Peppa Pig sound out in the background, low key. Cause if not, copyright.